My flight is in 3 hours and I still do not know if they will let me fly. Let's go say bye to the grandpas and grandmas. I think they didn't hear it the first time. Vai nonna, ciao.
Amore, sta partendo?
Sì.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ti posso dare un bacio?
Vabbè, sì. Io sono negativo. Sono negativo al test, quindi.
L'Angelo Michele non ha salutato.
Ah no. Ti saluto. Sì.
Allora, mangiato?
Sì.
Grazie di tutto.
Grazie a te, no.
Dite benedica, faccia presto a ritornare.
Dai.
Quello come, quando è la temperatura?
Controlliamo. Ciao, no. Grazie.
Buon viaggio.
Pitford is bringing me to the airport. Totally empty airport. First time seeing it like that. Have you ever seen something like that, Pia?
No, never. Never and never.
Mamma mia. Bella. Ciao. Welcome to this emptiness. Everybody has to enter from the entrance number 5. All the others are closed. Sapete il biglietto? One of the biggest airports in Europe, totally empty with no flights. Let's see if they will let me fly with the Polish passport instead of the Italian one, because Italians are not allowed to leave Europe. This is the only line for Qatar Airways, my flight. But they are making me fill this paper. Oh guys, I played the dumb. She saw the the Polish passport, so she spoke to me only in English. And we got the ticket. Let's hope everything will go great. What was funny is that when the lady was asking me stuff, I approached her saying buongiorno, and she, like a true Italian, she corrected me and she said buonasera, and then she started speaking in English, so I was super lucky. This place is totally missing tourists. Keep 1 meter distance, guys. And in Rome they do need millionaire tourists, not normal tourists. Maybe even Dolce & Gabbana is gonna be broke. If you're gonna play the piano, it's recommended, it's a must. The only aircraft I see moving is from TAP Portugal. So they gave me a face shield mask. So before I played the dumb card to get the ticket, and now I'm gonna look even dumber. Okay guys, this is unbelievable. We are making it to the flight. One of the 20 flights departing today. I'm hiding my happiness behind the masks, but I'm super happy. Hello. Thank you.
Ponte, go straight, this side,
Guys, we're inside the flight. Finally, my seat went out. Got fixed. They gave me wine and a different seat. Look how much legroom. We're getting beef with mashed potatoes. More wine. 2 hours to go and I do look pretty tired. So we just landed and my next flight is in 1 hour and 40 minutes. We're going 1 hour and 30 minutes until my next flight.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Hello, to
Where you
Nairobi?
came from now?
I'm going to Kenya.
Now you are coming from?
Roma.
Roma. This way, please.
This way?
Yeah, close your camera, sir. Close.
I wanted to show you very quickly this peluche with a lamp because it's a gift that we might call it princess, I need to check it on Wikipedia, received from his father here in Qatar. For the price of this thing you can buy an apartment on the other side of the world. My gate is D1. I think that the flight to Kenya is in the farthest part of the airport. After the letter C it goes straight farther and farther. I need a car too, it feels like it's 1 hour that I've been walking. 3 more minutes. Here is the peluche, and if you go to Africa you are in the corner of the airport. And here we do have a YouTuber advertising inside the airport. Nairobi. Boarding 21A. Hello.
Hello, how are you? Fine, thank you. Welcome to 21.
Plane totally empty. So I did choose this seat because when we will be landing in Kenya I'll be able to watch all the nature out there. I mean the wing doesn't really help, but what can you do? So we do have some beef with rice, wine of course, and I'm not really convinced by this beef, but we're gonna survive for sure. The taste wasn't bad, just the consistency, it was a bit too tough. This one was really spicy. Maybe that's what I should expect from Kenya. Anyway, I do love spicy. Does it look like beef? I mean, also the white wine has that color. I don't really like it, but I'm not wasting food. I'm not the type of person. I wanted to show you the chocolate, but I ate it before filming. Milky, but good. Here we are in Kenya. Okay, we're out of the plane. I'm kind of stuck here because my visa application has 2 complications. It was missing the right photo. They wanted a photo that wasn't the passport photo, a photo of me. And I have the Italian passport on the top of the visa written on it, and then I have the Polish passport and the actual visa inside it. It's a mess. It's 1 hour since we landed. I do suggest you to not do the visa online, do it at the airport. I'm the only person left here from that flight.